Which of the following is responsible to rule out the existence of definite paths or trajectories of electron? Pauli's exclusion principle, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, or Bose principle? Well, the right answer to the question is option number 2. Uncertainty principle जो ये state करता है, it is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and exact momentum of an electron. So mathematically, delta x into delta p is greater than equals to h upon 4 pi. So the important implications of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle is that it rules out the existence of definite paths or trajectories of the electron and other similar particles. ठीक है, ये जो कहता है कि it's very impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and exact momentum of an electron. So it basically rules out the existence of definite path or the trajectories of the electrons. I think you got this particular point. क्या ये वाली बात समझ में आ गई आप लोगों को? ये बताइए, yes or no? सो ये जो प्रिंसिपल है ये भी स्टेट करता है इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, जो मैंने पहले आपको दूसरी लैंग्वेज में बताया उसको दूसरे फॉर्म में मैं आप प्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ. It's not possible to simultaneously determine the exact position and momentum of a moving microscopic particle with absolute accuracy. This means that the position and the velocity of an electron cannot be restricted congruently with accuracy basically. ठीक है, absolutely right. Well, you might be also thinking about कि मैम ये Pauli's exclusion principle क्या है फिर? What we mean by Pauli's exclusion principle? हाँ जी बताइए. What we mean by Pauli's exclusion principle? Please comment in the comment section. What you mean by Pauli's exclusion principle? क्या समझते हैं आप Pauli's exclusion principle से? Just let me know. You will say कि no two electrons in a same atom can have identical values of all the 4 quantum numbers. Is the thing clear? Now, if I just talk about Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, what we mean by Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity? Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity क्या बोलता है भाई बताइए? What does Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity states? So basically, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity states that for a given electron, the term with maximum multiplicity falls lowest in the energy. According to this rule, electron की जो pairing होगी in p, d and f orbitals, pairing जो है it cannot occur until each orbital of a given subshell contains 1 electron each or it is singly occupied. Clear? Now if I just talk about Aufbau's principle. हाँ जी, if I just talk about Aufbau's principle, what do you mean by Aufbau's principle? Just let me know. Yes people. What do you mean by Aufbau's principle? So ये Aufbau's principle क्या कहता है? ये स्टेट करता है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर फिल्ड इनटू एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स इन द इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ ऑर्बिटल एनर्जी लेवल. So according to this principle, the available atomic orbitals with lowest energy levels are occupied before those with the higher energy level. छोटे से बड़े की तरफ फिलिंग होगी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की बेसिकली. ठीक है. So the right answer for this particular question, the factor that is responsible to rule out the existence of definite paths or trajectories of the electrons is option number 2, the right answer to the question.